This is the 47th LeetCode challenge, and it is called Permutations II. Given a collection of numbers, nums, that might contain duplicates, return all possible unique permutations in any order. So if you have 1, 1, 2, it will return 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, it will return the 6 possible combinations for that. Okay, let's get started. So for this one, I've grabbed the code from the previous challenge, which was permutations, because this will be basically the exact same as that, but with minor modifications. So to go over the solution for that one, so we've got the output here. We have a function permutations, which we recursively run. So first does a check to see if in this nums list, if there's only one number left. If there's only one number left, then we add that to the current permutation, which we then add to the output. Otherwise, we iterate through every number that is in nums. So we create a copy of the current permutation, and we create a copy of nums. And in here, we add the current num into copy permutation. Then we remove that num from copy nums, which we then use to call the function again. But then when it returns, it comes back to here. Then we go to the next index in nums. So we're just recursively going through and creating every possible combination. But now that we have duplicate numbers, we can't just go through every single number. We need to actually check to see if the previous number has already been done. So easiest way to do that is, firstly, we are going to sort nums, because if it's in any order, we can't really look to see which nums we've already done too well. So we'll sort it, then we'll put it into here. Then what we will do is int previous num. What's the lowest possible number is -10, so we'll just do equals -11. So I've got previous num, and we will do if nums I equals previous num, we will do I plus. Actually, is that the best way to do this? No. We will do while nums I equals previous num, I plus. Then we will also need to do if I is greater than, we'll do greater or equal to nums.count. Then we return. So the changes we made, we sorted the nums. So let's say there were, okay, we'll go down to the first example. Let's say this one here was like this. What we've now done is changed it to 1, 2. So during the first iteration, we're going to be using the number 1. So we'll do number 1, we'll then do 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then I'll go back to here. It will then go to the next number, and we'll see, okay, the previous number was 1. So we're going to skip this and go to the next number. Is this one also 1? No, it's not. So we're going to do the next combination with this. So then I'll do 2, 1, 1, and that's it. So let's run it and see if it's all working as expected. Okay, it doesn't appear to be working as expected, because we can see here it's done this. So repeat. Okay, well, I just realized why, because I didn't actually ever change previous num here. So we'll just go here and equals nums I. So now we'll run it, and then it should work. Oh, didn't think about that. So we also need to add into here while I is less than nums.count and nums I equals previous num. And there we go. So it didn't just iterate forever. So now we can see got the expected output. So we will go copy all this. Actually, I didn't change the name on here, so I'll quickly change that name. So now we'll go up to here, copy everything, and put it into LeetCode. Run that on the test ones. Yep, those all worked as expected, so now let's submit. And that solution was accepted. So that's the 47th LeetCode challenge called Permutations II. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.